Here's how to cancel your Microsoft 365 personal subscription. So first just go to Microsoft.com and sign into your account. Then in the top right, click on your account. And from here, click My Microsoft Account. Then here you will get to your settings. From here you want to click Services and Subscriptions. Now here you can see that I currently have the Microsoft 365 personal plan, and in order to cancel it, all you need to do is just click on Manage right here. And then here at the bottom you can click Cancel Subscription. You can also choose to turn off recurring billing, but I'll just click Cancel Subscription. And now you have not yet cancelled it yet. You could switch to monthly if you want. And if you actually want to cancel, just scroll down and here you can see I don't want my subscription. So then you can choose when you want to cancel your subscription. So either until when you will be charged. Now in that case, you won't be charged again. Or you can just choose today and access to your subscription will end immediately and you will get a refund of 69 euros. So click End Subscription. And now your subscription will end today and within a few days you will get a refund. So now you know how to cancel your Microsoft 365 subscription. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. With that being said, I will see you in the next video.